So hello guys, today we are going to make corn rice. For this we have some secret masala. We have curry leaves, we have onion, then we have sweet corn, and we have this rice. Okay, so I'm not going to share the recipe of the secret masala. Just kidding. Okay, there is no any secret masala. Okay, so let's take some oil. Tapla ka tapla. Okay, and then add some mustard seeds, and then add some jeera. So here, yeah, after that we are going to add fresh green curry leaves. Okay, and we have lots of curry leaves, so we are going to add lots of curry leaves. It's good for your hairs. Yeah, once we add curry leaves, then we are going to add some our ground masala, the secret masala. But there is nothing special in that secret masala. It's just a mixture of ginger garlic paste, some coconut, and then chilies. Okay, and if you have coriander, you can also add that coriander into that masala. And after that we are going to add sliced onions. Okay, and after that we will cook it for like a couple of minutes and stir it. Yeah, smells good. Wow, amazing. Now we are going to add our masalas, like we are going to add turmeric, we are going to add this kanda lasun masala, homemade kanda lasun masala, and this is a red chili powder. And after that we are going to add sandal the thoda sa. Okay, after that we are going to add some chicken masala, sohana chicken masala. You can use any chicken masala. And after that we have added corn here, and we have also added rice also here. Okay, and yeah, add some water. Take double quantity of water. Yeah, done. Wow, this is the expectations of my friend, but we have made this. You